Omnilogin is an all-in-one anti-detect solution for managing multiple accounts at scale. In this video, I will guide you on how to create profiles to manage multiple YouTube accounts using Omnilogin. First, select a group to store your profiles. Next, click New Profile. Here, you can use the Fast Create feature to generate multiple profiles simultaneously to match the number of accounts you need. Then, fill in the details such as the number of profiles and the group. For YouTube accounts, using the right proxy is crucial. We recommend using residential proxies to minimize the risk of suspension. Select Custom, choose your proxy type, and paste the proxy into the proxy host field. The remaining proxy details will be autofilled. Next, select the browser kernel, operating system, and browser version. In the Advanced Settings section, you don't need to change anything. Keeping the default settings is the best approach. Finally, click OK to complete the profile creation process. Once the profiles are ready, I will log into 3 different YouTube accounts across the 3 profiles we just created. You can also use our auto login workflow to sign into multiple YouTube accounts at once. Now, I will manually log in to each YouTube account in the profiles. After logging in, you can perform your desired tasks, for instance, using the Windows Multi-Control new feature to control multiple profiles simultaneously. Discover more tips and advanced features on our website and YouTube channel to start running multiple accounts today.